So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add to favorites on your Safari app on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is to actually open up your own app, and let's click on Google just to show you guys. So right now we are at google.com. So you can see here some of the options and you can click on this. So it says here hide distracting items, translate the website, manage some of the extensions. You can see the different versions that you can see for your desktop as well as your phone viewer, and you can also go to three dots. So let's click on that. From here you can see privacy report, hide toolbar, request, desktop, website. You can see print, and you can see the option add to favorites. So you can add a bookmark, you can then redirect it to favorites from your dad, but we can just click on add to favorites. And from there, you're going to be redirected to the favorites page, and you can rename it. So right now it's just named Google after the name in the website itself, but if you wish to change it to something that you're going to connect it and it's going to be easier for you to connect it to something that's more important to you, you can do it through there. And just make sure to click on save when you are done with adding it to your favorites list. So if you don't do that, the website won't be on there the next time you go to your favorites to click on it. So make sure you click on save so it remembers that you added it to that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.